As a dietitian, when I was in school, I learned so much science and so much great information. I wanted to help people be 10 steps ahead of the game and have all this information, learn from my successes and failures so that they could move faster.
This is way more helpful than what I'm reading in a textbook many years ago. It's about what's actually helping people in practice instead of what they say to do.
There's the information on the one hand, and then there's the how-to on the other hand, and a lot of times you get one or the other, but Keri really gives you both.
This program is the most comprehensive program you can take to gain all of the knowledge you need in nutrition science, counseling, and business to be confident, to be educated, to be prepared and supported to build your dream career. Enroll now.